Here's how to screen record with your iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. And the first thing we need to do is we need to set up the screen record function in the control center by going to settings. So let's go to settings, and then in settings we need to scroll down to control center and then tap on control center. And now we need to scroll down and we need to add the option for screen recording. There it is. So we just tap on the green plus, and now if we go up we can see screen recording has been added to the control center. So now let's go to the control center on our iPhone, and if we swipe down from the top right hand side of our screen, we can see that the screen recording function has been added by the white dot at the bottom of our screen. So let's tap on it to activate screen recording, and it turns red, and the red dot also appears on the dynamic island to indicate that all our screen activity is now being recorded. Now we can also record audio as well as video, and to do that we just need to tap and hold on the red dot, and then we get the microphone option to record audio, which we can toggle on or off. We also have the option to stop recording on this screen too if we wish. Now let's tap and swipe up to get back to the home page. And if you're using an iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max, we can now use the dynamic island feature to manage our screen recording. We can do that by tapping on the dynamic island, and now we can see how long it's been recording for. And if we stop the recording, it saves the photos, and if we tap and hold, we can now view or delete the recording, but we have to do it quickly because it goes back to the default dynamic island and then it's too late. But we can always go and access the recording from our photos anyway, and there it is. And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, please thumbs it up, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.